IT Solutions workshop, where today we've got a Range Rover in. This is quite an interesting case. It's well known, those cars they could do with an improvement on the security. And this particular one, the customer dropped it in because he had concern that unauthorized access has been gained to his vehicle. He had attempted several times. The car was open, the valuable content they've been removed. Luckily, the car has not been stolen. Now, those cars, they do have an alarm system from the factory, but what the customer suspects, and is very likely to happen, is that if the key gets cloned, then the alarm gets turned off. So we're just going to show you an example now. So now the alarm is turned off, is activated with factory remote, and by opening the car with the emergency blade, the alarm it should be activated, and it's quite a loud alarm. This is the emergency blade. So as you can see, this is quite a loud alarm, but if the key gets cloned, the alarm will be automatically turned off when this clone signal gets applicated to the car, and then you'll recognize as a valid key. So although it has an alarm system, this car, it didn't stop unauthorized access to the car. The customer had a car parked in front of his house and he never heard an alarm, so he assumed that the key was cloned. Now we came to us with a solution on this type of problem, and working in conjunction to our supplier on the security systems. We have developed custom software to install an alarm system. We've been in touch with a few different suppliers of alarm system, and for those models, it was not an alarm system compatible with the model purely because the car has an alarm system from the factory, so there's no need to add an extra alarm. Because of this situation, it makes a lot of sense to have something better. So we have installed an aftermarket alarm system. This is the remote from it, and the way that it works, when the alarm gets activated, this type of alarm has to be activated from its own remote. And then if the car gets unlocked by any key or even this key, the alarm system has to be deactivated from the same remote. So if the key will be cloned, the key signal will be cloned, when the car will be attempted to be open with just the key, the alarm will be activated, and it's an alarm with upgraded horn, and also it sends a phone text notification to the customer when the alarm is been activated. So we're just going to show you some. We lock the car normally with the factory remote, and if we open it normally with the factory remote, no alarm. Now we lock it with the remote as we did. We arm the aftermarket system that we installed in the car. We're gonna wait for 20-30 seconds for the system to fully arm, and then when we're gonna unlock, you'll see that the aftermarket system that we install is gonna get activated. Is again a very loud system, and also you're going to trigger a notification, a text message notification to the customer alerting that the alarm has been activated. And we're just going to show you now the system. It should be active. So this car is also keyless entry. Takes a few seconds, and then the loud horn will kick in. As you can be seen, very loud. And then this signal cannot be cloned from the factory, from the aftermarket remote, as it is with those the original keys. An upgrade. This is a custom development that we have done for this customer, and then it gives him a lot of peace of mind, knowing that the car is protected this way, totally different than it was before. So it's going to be a big deterrent for anyone trying to get in the car, even if the key signal is going to be cloned. What we also done to the customer, we advise him as is known, those cars, they could do a lot with the security on starting improvement, and we installed the Ghost 2 immobilizer. We said many times, Ghost 2 immobilizer is one of the leading products in vehicle security upgrade, and we also installed one of those on the vehicle, and the car is a lot more secure at the moment, as I said, compared to the way that it was when it came in. So here in Car Key Solutions, we develop custom solutions according to type of use, the vehicle that you have, weakness. From the experience, we know each vehicle, what type of weakness and what has to be improved. So if you have a vehicle that you are concerned, do get us in touch, and we'll be able to provide you with a custom solution, whether it's going to be for an alarm system, an immobilizer, catalytic converter protector, van security locks, car keys. We do all those under one roof here in Car Key Solution. Thanks for watching, and get in touch if you need any solutions for your vehicle security.